Welcome all. Myself Dr. Dinesh Navle. In today's discussion we are going to be see about the basics of organic chemistry. In basic of organic chemistry we will see the examples of the hybridization and shapes of the sum of the molecule. So before going for the hybridization, let's see what is the hybridization. So what is the hybridization? Hybridization is the concept of mixing of atomic orbital into new hybrid orbital with different energy shape than the component or atomic orbital suitable for the pairing of the electrons to form the chemical bonds in the valency bond theory. That means hybridization is nothing but it is the mixing and recasting of the atomic orbital of equal energy to form the new hybrid orbital. So if you are going to be see that what is the hybridization effect onto different geometry shapes as well as the bond angle of the molecule. So first we are going to be say that shape of the alkane, in which we are going to be see the example of the alkane as the ethane. So it will be the CH3. So this is the ethane molecule. If you are going to be see that in ethane molecule, which is the tetrahedral geometry, which is going to be show the bond angle between these will be the 109.5 degree, and the hybridization of the ethane will be the sp3 hybridization, because the carbon atom which is singly bonded to all other atoms. So hybridization of the ethane molecule will be the sp3 hybridization. And if you are going to be see that the carbon atom will be both carbon atom. If you are going to be take any one carbon atom, hybridization will be the sp3 hybridization. Bond angle will be the 109 degree and 0.5 minute. And the geometry will be the tetrahedral. So during hybridization, we are going to be see one by one what is the shape, what is the geometry as well as the bond angle of the particular example. In case of the ethane molecule, hybridization of the carbon will be the sp3, bond angle will be the 109.5 degree, whereas the geometry will be the tetrahedral. Now if you are going to be see that the shape of the alkane molecule, how it is going to be give the formation of the shape. So in case of the ethane molecule CH3 there is a sigma bond. So we are going to find out that both carbon, this is the carbon-carbon single bond which will be formed by the sp3 hybridized orbital of one carbon atom and sp3 hybridized orbital of the another carbon atom. So sigma bond will be formed by the sp3 of one carbon and sp3 of the another carbon. Whereas in case of the carbon hydrogen bond, all 6 carbon hydrogen bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 carbon hydrogen bond will be formed by the sp3 orbital of the carbon and s orbital of the hydrogen atom, because hydrogen atom will always give the s orbital. So sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen bond will be formed by the sp3 orbital of the carbon and s orbital of the hydrogen atom. So this is how the ethane molecule will give the formation of the shape by the hybridization. So we are going to be see that carbon-carbon sigma bond is formed by the sp3 hybrid orbital of one carbon atom and sp3 hybrid orbital of the another carbon atom. So this is one carbon atom which is having sp3 hybrid orbital which is of the tetrahedral geometry. Another carbon atom which is also going to be show the sp3 hybridization and the tetrahedral geometry. So this sp3 hybrid orbital of one carbon and sp3 hybrid orbital of another carbon will join and will give the formation of the sigma bond. So there is the formation of the carbon-carbon sigma bond. Whereas carbon-hydrogen sigma bond, as we have discussed, it will be formed by the sp3 hybrid orbital of the carbon and s orbital of the hydrogen. So this is what we have seen, how the carbon-hydrogen